Hi friends, in this video, we are going to learn what is going to be 10 square divided by 2 multiplied by into bracket 1 plus 4. Is that 50 or 250 or 100 or 200? You can pause the video guys and you can try and let's say what answer you're getting and then you can check with me. How does that sound? Yeah, cool. All right. So guys, while solving this question, we are going to use our BODMAS principle. So I'll strictly follow that. So let us say the first priority is for B, which is bracket. So I do have brackets. So that's what I'm going to work out first. So 1 plus 4, which is going to be 5. So I'll write down everything else as it is. So 10 square, I'm not going to do anything, divided by 2, and then 2 and bracket, there is no sign, so that is going to be multiplication, and 1 plus 4 we work it out 5. So because bracket has the first priority, I'm done with that. The second priority is or for the order, which is the power. So we can see we do have a power involved here, so I go to address that first now. 10 square, which is 10 times 10, which is going to be 100, divided by 2 multiplied by 5. Now I got a division, I got a multiplication. Both of them has got the same priority. I got to do left to right. So I'll be doing this first. 100 divided by 2, which is going to be 50, and 50 times 5, which is going to be 250. So 250 is my correct answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel to watch more maths videos. See you in the next video. Bye.